Listen guys, if you guys have not yet subscribed, you need to subscribe. You guys are missing out on all the content, all the videos we put out, and possibly some of the cars you guys can buy.
What is up guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got another classic car for you. Before we get started on this one, I need you to hit the subscribe button if you like classic cars and want to see our new inventory every week. We get a new car, so please subscribe. Check it out. 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle. This is a single owner vehicle. Bought it from the original owner. This thing is clean. He's had it for over 51 years. For all my guys who are over 45, if you owned a Super Beetle or a Beetle, leave me a comment. Tell me your experience with it. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Tell me your story growing up with it. I'm curious to know about the older guys. A lot of the younger guys don't like these cars, but I do. We're gonna do a full review on this one. I'm gonna give you the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, there's no ugly on this car. It's solid. But I'll give you a breakdown of everything going on with it so you know what you get before you buy it. When it shows up at your doorstep, it is what it is. Bought this off the original owner. He was an eye doctor. He actually worked for a college in Pennsylvania. He was the head professor there. He basically taught everybody eye surgery in the little town that I bought it from. He bought it brand new. I got the original paperwork here. Registration, insurance. I'll take you inside. I'll show you the maintenance records we got. It's in really, really good condition. It has been painted one time, I was told, and it's been garage kept. He basically drove it for the first 3 years, and then he drove it off and on weekends. After the first 3 years, he did really well for himself and bought a Mercedes and basically used this only on the weekends. We'll start with the front of the vehicle. The chrome's in pretty good condition, nothing crazy. Got one little mark here. The hood's in good shape, a little chip there. The rest of the hood is in really good shape. This fender here is in good shape. Nothing going on with it. Same thing with this door. There's no marks on it. You got a little bit of the plastic here, the trim, dry rotted. That would need to be replaced. Got a couple little chips here that looks like they were filled in. Now normally these get real bad rot here, and this one's really clean. Nothing going on with it. Take a look at the back bumper. Back bumper's in good shape. No dents, no scratches. A little, maybe baby little scratch there. This fender's in, or yeah, rear quarter's in good shape. Same thing with this here. This is Texas yellow is the color. Again, we got the molding that needs to be replaced there. But this door's in good shape. Same thing up here. It's fairly clean, guys. Tires are in great shape. They're almost brand new. Hubcaps are in good shape. Same thing here. Let's take a look at the other one. It's in good shape. A little bit of peeling here. This is also in good shape. Take a look at the engine. For the most part, it looks all original, and it's also in good shape. Got one little spot here on this inside starting. You pull this back, you see it right here. But the outside's good. It's the only spot I can find on the car. I don't know if water got in there from one of the seals. Take a look on the inside, underneath. And it's really, really solid. There's no holes, nothing. Same thing on this side. It's absolutely solid. Show you guys the inside of the vehicle. Door panel's in good shape. Seat's in good shape. Same thing with this seat. Radio works, heat works. Back seat's in good shape. Headliner has a little TLC. Looks like through the seal a little water's getting in. But lift up the carpet. Floor's in good shape. It's solid. Not much to it, but seat's also in good shape. Got a cover for it in the back. Trunk pan's in fairly good condition. Nice and solid. Got the spare. Gas tank looks newer. Now, I drove this car about 300 miles and it drives very well. Got it up to about 60, 65 on the highway and had no issues. We got the original owner's manual here. What's cool about this, which if anybody knows these old cars, you got all the maintenance records that kind of came out. But yeah, you got all the maintenance records here, all the stamps. If you did this with your car, let me know. People don't do it anymore. They don't even keep records. Are you a record keeper or not? Let me know. Drop me a comment if you made it this far in the video. If you keep records of your car, maintenance records. It definitely helps the value. I like stuff, selling stuff that I can show that it was well maintained. Go ahead and start it up. This thing should just fire right up. Pulled it out earlier, sat for at least a week, and started right up. Let me know what you guys think. It's up for sale now. Go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Your chance to own this one owner 1972 Super Beetle. You don't really find them like that. Up for sale now today. Thank you for checking out our video. God bless the USA.